So let's get started. So you can see I have Avast Free Antivirus and I want to uninstall it. The first step or the first way of uninstalling Avast Antivirus is obvious, and that is you can just search for Avast here. So just search for Avast, and then when the result appears you will be able to see this uninstall button, and you can click on this button and uninstall Avast. The second way can be by using control panel. So just search for control panel and then click on the control panel and then click on uninstall a program. And here also you can select Avast Free Antivirus and then click on uninstall. And if Avast Free Antivirus is uninstalled, then it's okay. Otherwise, you have the last option. So most of the people are struggling with these two options when they uninstall Avast using these ways which I have shown you. Avast is not fully uninstalled. So in that case, what you can do? So for the third way, you just need to search for Avast removal tool, and the first link which will appear here will be from avast.com itself, and it says uninstall utility. So just click on the first link. And then from here, you will be able to see this Avast clear.exe link, right? So just click on this Avast clear.exe, which is going to be downloaded really fast. So just click on this Avast exe file and then minimize the browser and then click on yes. And then it's going to just open this Avast clear exe file. Now at this point you can see this window and it says it's recommended to run this tool in Windows safe mode. Do you want to do that? And I can press yes for that. So whatever is recommended, I'm going to do that. So I'm going to just press yes, which is going to reboot my system. So you can see it says the system will now restart in Windows safe mode. I'm going to click on yes, which is going to restart my system in Windows safe mode. And once your Windows operating system is started in the safe mode, I'm going to just log into my Windows operating system. So now at this point you will be able to see this utility once again, which is Avast uninstall tool. What you need to do is you need to select whatever version of Avast you have on your Windows operating system. In my case, I have Avast Free Antivirus, so I'm going to select this. Otherwise, you can select whatever version you have, right? And then click on uninstall, which is going to uninstall Avast from your Windows 11 operating system. So just let it complete and let it reach to the 100% mark. And now once Avast Antivirus is uninstalled, you will be able to see this message which says product was successfully uninstalled. Some files may stay in their current location until the next reboot. So it says restart computer. So I'm going to restart my computer once again. So I'm going to click on this green button, which is going to restart the Windows operating system once again. And once the Windows operating system is restarted, I'm going to provide my password. And once I'm logged into my Windows operating system, I will be able to see that Avast is uninstalled. To verify this, you can search for Avast once again, and you won't see any Avast Free Antivirus. You can see it says Avast Free Antivirus, but it's not there. It's totally uninstalled. You can also verify this by just going to control, and when control panel opens, just click on uninstall a program here, and you won't see Avast Antivirus in this list. Also, you can verify this by going to the settings app. So just search for settings app and then open settings app. And once settings app opens, you will be able to see in under apps. So just click on apps and then apps and features. And there you just need to search for Avast. And if it's not there, it's uninstalled. So just search for Avast and you can see it's not there, right? So Avast is completely uninstalled from my Windows 11 operating system. So this is how you can completely uninstall Avast from your Windows operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next video.